Now then all, here we are with another project, another Land Rover project. What is wrong with me? Yeah, well, look at that. To everybody else out there, they would recognise it as a 2. Yep, so that's a Land Rover Series 2 in, yeah, a bit of a rough state, I would say, and that is to say the least. Now the purists out there will expect it to be returned to mint original condition, but I am going to do something slightly different, like I have done in the past with the 2A that I did. I'm going to change the engine to something that's a bit more up with the current traffic, just to give it a bit more poke. Not silly amounts, but just enough to get it up to speed, easy. I'm going to keep everything here original, so it's going to be original, 95% original on the outset, the best I can, and then underneath it's going to have a little bit of something about it, not silliness, because it's going to be a long-term vehicle, possible daily use eventually. So it's going to be fairly simple to maintain. Obviously a 2-quarter diesel, 2-quarter petrol at the moment. That's going to come out. Gearbox is going to come out. Swap that for a 5-speed. Chassis needs rear quarter replacement, and then maybe the odd outrigger. I have before, prior to this one, stuck a TD5 tank in the back of a series. No, not in the back, but actually in the proper chassis mounting area. Works really well with the TDIs. But I might, depending on the condition of this one, I might either keep that and add another one on the other side, or do the same with the TD5, not too sure just yet, because the TD5 one is quite a bit more work than just adding another one to the opposite side underneath the passenger seat. Very rough and ready. So first thing to do, is the roof's going to come off, sides are going to come off, all inside out. This door's obviously been taken off, the top of it's jiggered, so I'm going to chop that off, scrap that, keep the glass, and probably get a new piece for it and re-glass it. Probably do the same on that one, but it doesn't look anywhere near as bad as this one, but we'll see. Bulkhead looks good, which is a big priority, although that will just be repaired if need be. Shot blast and galvanise both the bulkhead and the chassis. Axles may change to disc ones, which allows them to be a bit wider as well. So I'll sell the axles complete, the engine complete, and the gearbox complete, and yeah, that's it. So let's start disassembling. Roof is quite simple to remove. It's a line of bolts from just behind the door back to the corner, both sides, and then straight across the top of the windscreen. It's one of those windscreens that folds down, like it would do if everything was free, which is quite cool. So I might keep that aspect of it. But yeah, it's a long-term project. Keep me going through at least winter. Maybe this time next year, we'll see. Don't know how well I get on it. So yeah, there you go. Right, rock and roll.